I have Happy Meal today. I am super excited. I, along with several other lovely ladies, were selected to be the 2020 swim reps for Red Dolly SwimWear. And I got my package in the mail today. Heather chose myself and several others to try some of her designs and take pictures of them. So you're going to be seeing these beautiful swimsuits all over your Instagram feed very soon. And so I thought I would do a little opening with you guys here on Instagram, and maybe I'll put it on YouTube to share with everybody. So here we go, opening the box. I'm terrible at these unboxing things because I never know what to say. So if I seem super awkward, that's why. Let's try not to cut anything of value. So Heather, actually, all I had to do was give her my size, and she chose the styles that she sent me, and I cannot wait to see what she picked. I already have the Maisel blue polka dot bathing suit, and I adore it. It fits splendidly. Oh my goodness, I see color. I love color. Color makes me happy. Okay, first up we have a cute little postcard that says Red Dolly SwimWear on it. I actually have this bathing suit and I adore it so very much. And then this is just a sweet little note from Heather, and yeah, I'm super excited. All right, let's get to the goods. I'm gonna start with this one. Oh my goodness, I just saw, I think her handle on here is Jet Set on here. Open this one. And I was hoping I would get it too because it's so cute. Oh, it's a two-piece. That makes this so much better. Jet Sets is a one-piece. So I have this adorable two-piece with this really cute poodle material. It's a little skirt and top. How cute is that? Can you see it? It's a really cute salmon color. I love the material. So adorable. Oh man. Okay, hold on. Let's see what else we got in here. Set that over there. Look at the color. It's so bright. It's rainbow. Love rainbows. They make me happy. Oh my goodness. It is a one piece. It's a one piece halter. Oh wow. I am in love with both of these bathing suits, and I cannot wait to take pictures in these and just wear them in general. Oh, wow. So Red Dolly SwimWear, they do, it's owned by Heather and run by Heather and made by Heather. She's fantastic. They do retro-inspired bathing suits. So like you saw on my little card, like Mrs. Maisel, for example, we have our blue and polka dotted one. I just love it because her quality is just fantastic. So if you're ever in need of a really good bathing suit, you need to check them out. I'm just so excited right now. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. So thank you so much, Heather. And I cannot wait to wear these bathing suits and try them on and post pictures. They are seriously the cutest things ever. And yeah, I'm so excited to work with all the other ladies that are the swim reps this year, and I can't wait to see what they have planned and post. And yeah, keep following along and check Heather out at Red Dolly SwimWear. And yeah, this is me awkwardly saying goodbye because I don't ever know how to finish these. So bye!